Always stand right where I am.
Did Santa come? Oh, look at the cookies. Ooh, he ate some cookies.
We left him up there. Daddy must have put extra cookies down.
Oh, I thought you guys didn't.
Oh, Daddy put more cookies. Alright, you guys.
That's why Santa's so fat.
Give him a present to open.
Dean, nice present.
That's from Violet.
What is it?
Just rip it apart.
Rip it open.
Turn it over. Ice Bible. Yeah.
Wow, isn't that nice? You don't got one.
What is it?
Ice Bible.
Oh,
Cool, all for Dino.
hold it up.
Yay.
Yay.
Very nice.
I want to pick them up.
Who does it say it's for?
Nobody.
Mommy has her gifts too. I wrapped
Oh,
them.
brother. Daddy's wearing his gift. What's this? Oh, this is for Violet.
Oh,
Violet.
I see it.
Yep, go ahead.
Hey.
Open it, Violet. Okay, put it over there on the fireplace so Sammy doesn't chew it. Rip it open, don't worry about making it pretty.
What did I get? A box.
Box, yeah, she got a box. Let's put it over there so Daddy can film.
Open the box. Open the box. Close.
Oh, a box of clothes. Cool.
I like this.
That's cute. Look at Show Daddy a Hello Kitty shirt. What else?
Tinkerbell. She already had that.
Well, she did. Maybe a long time ago. Show
I like
Daddy.
Tinkerbell too.
Cute. Tinkerbell. What else did you get? Oh, another warm shirt with stripes. Very cute. Nice, okay.
Big giant
Nice.
box.
Whose is this? Let me see. This says Dean. Okay, Dean, sit down, Stinker. Turn around so Daddy can see. There you go. Put the wrapping in the box. And put your gift. Where are you going to put your gift? Where are you going to put your gift? Here, can you hand me your clothes?
It's more Ice Spy books.
I don't know about that. Here, let me see.
Hey, the books.
What kind of books are those? Ooh, a spelling book.
Wow.
Look at that. That's cool with the
Spelling
pen.
books.
And look at that. Oh, who's that? Here, let me see. What's that called?
It's called
Oh, you can look through here. This is the little Einsteins. You can look through there, and when you turn this thing, you can see. Hold it up to the light and look. Get your fingers off of it. See?
Hey, I see a dolphin.
Yeah, when you turn it,
I see.
and you turn it, there's a whole bunch of different ones, and it goes to the book. Isn't that cool?
Cool.